Egmont Honey's potent Manuka honey. This is my second of 3 different ways you can use it. Today I'm making a honey cough syrup. Add a teaspoon of this Manuka honey into a little bowl. Add some lemon, little tiny bit of lemon, and then a pinch of ground ginger. Give this a mix. Just do a little bowl like this as you need, or you can mix up more if you're short on time, just to have on hand. Stick it in the fridge, pull it out when you need. You can probably keep this in the fridge for about up to a week. Just have a spoon when you need it.